my tito's man cave kasi doon tayo magla-live stream para maganda at para malamig kasi doon may aircon. Yan. Of course, we all have to do our part when it comes to this. It's really all about working together. And 3:59. One more minute before we go live. So, who is here right now? So we have 307 views, I think. Are you staying there until the quarantine ends? Yes, I am staying here until the quarantine ends. Yeah, Taga-La Union po ako. Isa pa akong Ilocano. Pero basit lang ang alam ko na Ilocano. So, if you guys are gonna ask to hear some Ilocano words from me, medyo rusty ako dyan. So, baka hindi ako makasalita. What else pa ba? Hi from Pasig. Hi, AJ. Okay. So, iba talaga may lahing Kapampangan. Yes, may lahing Kapampangan din po ako. Ayan. So now we're gaining some views. Okay, I think it's better if it's horizontal. If it's like this, vertical ngayon. Shout out daw sa pinsan ko. Hello, Potty. Yes, his real name is Harold, pero tatawagin ko siyang Potty kasi forever siya Potty. Sa heart ko. Okay, so now, this is better, so at least I can see you guys. Hi from Bicol. Ayan. Lapit na. Okay. Hi, Lola and Bella. I miss my cousins. Nasa Malate sila ngayon. Okay, so, we can start the live stream. So, hi guys! My name is Isabel. For those na hindi nakakaalam. I just want to start this live stream off by saying hello and I miss all of you. And I wanted to make this live stream kasi I know that in times right now, sobrang it's very easy na maging mahina ang loob, or to, with all of the news right now. But I just want to leave this live stream to be something positive and something that would hopefully cheer you guys up. And ang tagal ko na kayong hindi nakakausap. I mean, hindi naman ako palagi nagla-live. So, yeah, this is something that I wanted to do. Of course, thank you to Artist Center, GMA Artist Center, kasi they gave me this idea and they had the initiative. And actually, si Nico, thank you so much for giving me a shout out. I think 4 Artist Center talents are going live today. So ako po yung pangalawa. After this, si Ate Ara San Agustin magla-live din sa Facebook niya. Well, I guess I just wanted to show you guys what life has been like here in the province. We're doing our part and we're trying our best to stay home talaga during this quarantine. And part of this is we do karaoke. So right now, I'm gonna sing songs for you guys. I have my karaoke mic here, and mamaya susulpot din po si Mama. Mag-hi din siya at kakanta din with me. So of course, I wanted to start this live stream by singing something that is close to the heart. And for those of you guys who are asking, I am Roman Catholic. Pero I believe na you can worship however way you want when it comes to the Lord. And lalo na ngayon, kailangan natin kumapit sa Lord. So my first song is going to be a worship song. And I don't know if you guys saw my short cover, pero ito, kakantahin ko na What a Beautiful Name in full for you guys. And of course, with my karaoke mic. So I hope you guys like this song. And yeah, this is for you guys. It's one of my most favorite songs talaga. And I really love listening to worship songs lalo na ngayon. So, I'm first gonna drink water. Ayan, so how are you guys today? If you guys want to ask me some questions, I am here to listen. Savior, you raise me up. Oh my gosh. I love it. Ang daming may alam ng worship songs, pero I don't think I know that much. Sige. Gusto nyo ba guys na Victory? Oh my gosh, Lilim. I love Lilim. Sobra. Tingnan ko nga kung meron akong Lilim dito. My mom is actually supposed to join me for my second song, pero ngayon nagre-ready pa siya. So, I am here to just talk to you guys right now. By the way, shout out to all the frontline workers working through this. Yes, super. I just want to give a shout out, and I just want to say that I am so grateful to all of the frontline workers, and all of you guys are in my prayers. And everyone is working so hard. Everyone is doing their part. So, I know na makakaya natin to. Lalaban lang tayo. Yeah. Broken Vessels. Wow. Those are all my favorite songs. Sige. I will sing another song for you guys. Anong gusto nyo? I'll sing Broken Vessels. Since meron request. Saan ka po nag-worship? Nag-worship ako sa CCF. I know it's very complicated. Kasi Catholic pa rin ako. Pero, I don't know. I just really love it there. Yeah. Since ang dami may nag-request ng worship song, I'm just gonna sing one more before we start. So if you guys know this song, sing along with me. Oy, may nag-request ng hindi na nga. By this band. I'm only gonna sing half. Kasi hindi ko masyadong rehearse yung kanta na yun. But that's what I know of it. Ayun. So what else do you guys want to talk about? Thank you. Galing po na nagsabi. Still by Hillsong. Oh, I know that too. So, ano pa guys gusto niyong malaman? Also, by the way, one more thing I've been doing during this quarantine is nag-aaral pa rin ako. May online schooling kami ngayon. And I'm so thankful na may internet connection kami dito, kahit na nasa probinsya kami. What are your tips for being safe during this period? Papatayin ko na to. Well, I think one of the tips talaga na kailangan maging safe tayo is kailangan first of all mag-wash tayo ng hands, and of course social distancing, and kailangan din na we have to keep our immune systems high. So vitamin C, all of that, and of course ayun, we just have to keep our faith strong, keep our you know, our spirits high, lalo na sa time na to. And of course, sa mga pwedeng magstay home, those who are able to stay home, it's best if we do as our part to help out in this community. And of course, sa mga kaya ring magtulong, it's also nice if we get to help out our other Filipinos who are in need. Nasaan na ang Shih Tzu mo? Actually, oo nga, nasaan na nga ba sila Puchi and Isay? I think kasama nila yung mama ko, hinihintay nila. Dapat mag-toothbrush din. Of course, kailangan nyo mag-toothbrush. Kahit na walang virus, kailangan nyo mag-toothbrush, guys. What is the first thing you do after quarantine? The first thing I did after quarantine was pumunta na talaga ako dito sa La Union. Kasi dito talaga yung house namin. Kamusta na kayo dyan ng mama mo? Si Tito Greg ko, dito lang siya. Yung mama ko nagre-ready pa din. This is a stress reliever, thank you. I'm so happy to hear that, the Mac accountant. It really is something that I wanted to give back to everyone. Waiting kami sa duet. Yes! Hintayin nyo yun. So, as of now, habang wala pa yung mama ko, kakanta ulit ako ng isa pang song. Isa rin to sa isa sa mga favorite songs ko. It's not a worship song, pero I like singing this kasi it reminds me of Bayanihan. And it's called Hawak Kamay. And maraming beses ko na to nakanta, pero I still love it just as much and sana magustuhan nyo. Okay, so here is my song. is right here. Ayan, this is my mom, everyone. Ayan! Ayan, so sa mga nakakaalala sa aking mama, can you guys, upo ka mama.
Ay, hindi na, okay lang.
Can you guys guess?
See you later, Stephanie.
Can you guys guess kung saan nyo mapapanood ang aking mama dati? Sinong may mga guesses dyan? Hi, Tita Michelle.
Hi, Margaret.
Yeah.
Hi, Bennett.
Wait lang. I will move the camera a little bit farther para makita tayong dalawa. Ayan. So, ang aking mama, for those who remember, ay nasa That's Entertainment.
Hi.
And sa kanya ko naman na ang hilig ko kumanta. Pero syempre, mas magaling pa si mama kumanta kaysa sa akin. Of
Hindi,
course.
mas magaling ka.
Ay, hindi.
Ang cute pala first time, nung panahon ko walang ganito.
Oo nga
diba?
Sa live kasi si
cute.
Mami, live as in mismong live talaga.
Oo.
Pero for now, dahil may social distancing.
Hi, Maylene!
Yes,
Oh.
dahil kailangan na
Naku,
stay
hindi
at
ko
home
mabasa
muna.
lahat.
Dahil stay at home muna tayo.
Oh my God, excited ako.
Live
Cute.
concert muna tayo ngayon. Ayan, we have 327
Wait,
viewers.
nakwento mo na ba sa kanila kung paano tayo dito nagsusulat?
Hindi pa, Mama. Okay, go, Mama.
Mga kapuso, kami po ay nandito sa beach house namin sa La Union.
Yes.
Paano kami nakaka-survive? Kasi total lockdown po kami dito sa Kaba. Nangingisda po kami sa harap ng bahay namin.
Meron po kaming beach sa harapan
Oo.
namin. So, if ever na maubusan na kami ng fish, minsan, tinatry naming mangisda.
Hindi, nangingisda.
Nangingisda, oo.
Tulungan kasi nun eh.
Yes.
And then, yung ating
Wait, Mami, our light. Lighting natin yan.
Ito lang.
Kinlose si Mami yung curtains. Okay. Oh, Mami, go, continue.
Nasisilaw ako eh. And then po, kumukuha po kami ng gulay sa aming farm.
Yes.
So, puro lang kami isda at gulay. Buti na lang marami tayong tanim.
Buti na lang nakapag-spaghetti pa tayo, Ma'am. Nag-buffet tayo.
Oh, stock pa natin yun 1
Yeah.
year ago sa freezer. Tapos, yun po, nag-uulam ho kami dito everyday. Puro isda, puro fish. Tapos, kung ano yung mahuli ng fisherman, yung fresh na ahon, yun ho yung meron na ho kaming inassign na fisherman para yun, makasurvive po
Yes.
kami. Kasi talagang total lockdown po kami dito sa Kaba. And wala rin pong bangko dito sa aming bayan ng Kaba. Hindi rin ho kami makapag-withdraw. Kaya wala rin ho kaming budget, wala kaming allowance. So,
But we're getting by.
Yes.
It's all we're all working together.
puro fresh, puro yamang dagat. At saka yung tanim namin sa farm. Ayan po. Kaya kayo lahat magtanim kayo kung meron kayong backyard. Kasi ito yung mga panahon na na magsisave sa atin talaga yung mga tanim natin. Anak,
And kailangan natin syempre maging resourceful to Mama.
yes, opo.
Okay.
Hi everyone!
So guys,
Hi!
our final song ngayon is gusto namin mabigay ng duet sa inyo guys. It's the first time it's happening in so long. Kasi yung mama ko na last time pa kami ng duet is yung song niya sa
Hi,
album.
Valenton Angelo! Ay, na-Facebook ko siya.
Naku, gusto ni Mama
Hi,
yung
sa
Facebook.
Belsters! Ay, mas ma-Facebook kasi ako eh.
Gusto ni Mama itong IG live na ito.
Hi!
Ayan, so now,
Hi, Ray!
Mami,
Ayan,
are you ready?
mabasa na tayo.
Are you ready to sing, Mama?
Hi, Neil! Oo.
Look at Ate Cristel.
Yeah, I'm ready. Hi, Ate Cristel! Hi, Bennett!
Ayan, so let's go, Mami. Are you ready?
Yes? Ano kakalain natin doon?
You wanna sing Points of View? Points of
Gusto
View.
naman po kayo lahat dyan.
Mami!
Naiinis na ho kami dito.
Okay.
Kumakain ng talbos.
Okay, well, let's start the song.
Mabuti na lang may internet pa kami natitira.
Okay, We promise, guys.
Ang buhay namin dito sa probinsya. Nagkakaroon na lang
Nagkakaroon, of course.
Hi!
Pinoy na Pinoy to.
Kamama kayo ng mama mo. Naman, magbubunga ba ng santol ang mangga?
Ayan.
Ay, thank you! Ay, hindi na kailangan mag-mic na?
Ha? Hindi naman.
Ah, hindi na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pang karaoke lang yun.
Wala kasi ito nung panahon ko eh.
Bakit ganun pag ako yung kumanta nawawala sa tono yun? That's funny, Vince. Wait, guys, I have a question.
Lynn. Hi, Isabelster.
Gusto niyo bang marinig na kumanta si
Hi,
Mama
Margaret.
ng solo?
Hindi na, nakigaw na
Hindi
show
na.
mo to eh.
Nahiya
Hindi
na si Mama.
lipas na ako.
Pero in-enjoy
Ikaw
niya
na
yung
lang
IG
yan.
live natin ngayon, ha?
Ang ganda niya pareho. Oh, thank you.
Ayan. Ayan, so, this is what we wanted to do for you guys.
Anak, ipakita natin sa kanila later ha kung saan tayo nagpapangisda.
Yeah, we're about to finish na in our live stream.
Yung song pa wala na.
I'm done na, Mom.
Ayun na.
Yeah, I sang my 4 songs. Ayan, we just want to show you guys kung alin yung source ng fish namin. Ayan yung dagat.
Ayan,
Literal,
opo.
sa harapan lang namin yung dagat. So, dyan kami pupunta.
Pagkatapos po namin mag-abang ng fish,
Yes.
nagtutuloy po kami doon mag-swimming.
Ayan, and then we swim over there, and then, ayan. So, that's just a little sneak peek of our house. Pero sa ibang panahon na lang yung house tour natin. Ayan, so sana na-enjoy nyo guys ang aming live stream today. And sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga worship songs ko ngayon. And of course, nakita nyo si Isay, my favorite, my love Isay. And I will show you Puchi. Mommy, can you hold the ano?
Ha?
Can you hold?
Okay.
Para I can show them Puchi.
Okay.
Ayan. This is Puchi.
Hi, Pooch!
Ayan.
Puch,
Kailangan na
puch.
niya ng shower. Tapos,
Ito po yung, anak na sabi mo na ito yung ating theater room.
yes, you can show them, Mama.
Ay, ito yung ating theater room. Dito po kami palaging nagha-hangout.
Yes.
Ayan po yung lahat ng mga souvenir ng aking
And
husband.
memorabilias. And ito ha, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, nandito yung mga medals ng Daddy Greg ko. Nandito yung mga medals niya. Nandyan lahat ng mga stars niya. And then, stars ba tama ba? And then, ito, sabi ni Mama, hindi pwede na wala siya dito sa awards ni Mama. Kasi isa daw siyang award.
Yes, of course.
Sa buhay ni Tito Greg,
Ako yung
sa Daddy
5-star.
Greg, kay Daddy Greg. Siya daw yung 5-star.
Yeah.
Ayan, so I hope you guys enjoyed this live
Yung family
stream.
picture natin, pakita mo.
And yung family picture. Okay, let's show the family picture. That's our family picture. Ayan, kaming
Ay, yung
tatlo.
wedding picture namin sa taas.
And then yung wedding picture, ayan. So, ayan, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. I will do another one real soon. And yes, see you guys soon. Bye!